Hi Goran, how are you today?
Hi Sophia, I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine too. The weather is really nice today, isn't it?
Yes, it's sunny and warm. Perfect for a walk.
Do you like sunny weather?
Yes, I love it. I feel happy when the sun is shining.
Me too, but sometimes it gets too hot in summer.
That's true. I prefer spring. The weather is not too hot and not too cold.
What do you usually do when it rains?
I usually stay at home and read a book.
That sounds nice. I like listening to music when it rains.
Rainy days can be relaxing.
Well, let's enjoy this sunny day.
Yes, let's go for a walk in the park.
Great idea.